frontal plane hip shift and overhead reach. So starting with the feet under the hips, we're going to start by bumping the pelvis or the hips out to one side. Now you want to really be able to see the pelvis shift over completely out of that base of support here. The spine should then follow and just peel over. Just be wary that you're not seeing it all crunching into the back. Once we've got that pattern happening, we're going to take the band in the opposite hand and we're going to be reaching up to the ceiling. So my hips bump one way, my hand bumps up again. Now currently I have the upper limb kit attached to my leg straps again. If I want to have it on my ankle straps, I can do, that's no problem. But it would need to be on this ankle. So moving like this, I can then take it with a step if I want to. So I can step forwards, diagonal, side, back diagonal, and all the way back as well. Continuing to shift my pelvis.